All right, quick scenario. You go to turn up your furnace, and wow, it's a disaster. It looks like this. And then you're thinking, oh, my furnace isn't even on. What happened? Boom. There's your furnace switch. Okay, it looks like a light switch. Look at it's off. Someone probably came in here pretending to do laundry, knocked it off on accident, didn't think anything of it. Flip that bad boy up, hear it already. So always check your furnace switch first. If you need more help or coaching, iHVACOnline.com will be your wingman.